chat? We're back. We're gonna do a quick little ride this time. Just got done, well, not just got done, but this is the first ride after getting everything situated. Stator cover on, new stator, you know what we did. So we're about to get ready. Do a nice little cold start. It's been a few days. Just been hella busy. We are riding to the post office to go get my new headlight. Because we got that, but we ain't got no headlight, do we? Really, headlight really pull a premium before nighttime. Let's see how these Temu mirrors do. I need to tighten them. I always forget to do my phone, but I do. Alright. Kind of like the placement of that one better. Oh, alright. It's only a 11-minute ride, 4 miles. We'll see how she does. I haven't been able to get out of first gear. I haven't done anything, really. I haven't done any rides, nothing like that. God damn. Alright, so far, so good. Brakes still work, that's good. You guys don't even know, I did my MSF course already. I did that a little while ago. Or like, what, 2 weeks ago? Pretty easy for the most part for me, just because, again, I come from the background of riding dirt bikes, racing dirt bikes. I've kind of, sort of been there, done that already. Oh yeah. So far, so it didn't seem to slip at all. Ooh, it's a little chilly. So far, so good. Alright, so yeah, I do need to tighten these. Alright. Duly noted, because anything over 60. I guess I should have worn my jacket. Huh. Oh man, it feels good. Feels good to know that I've got full power, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Yeah, we're back to full power, baby. Skirt. Oh, what? How nice it is to be. Oh, clutch is feeling good. Everything's looking okay. Of course. Ooh, drag pack on the Silverado? You better not be... I fucking hate when people put drag packs on. They're only putting like 500 wheel. I'm like, bro, there are tires out there that can handle 500 wheel. Stay there. Good. Temperature's chilling at 156 right now. Oh, Mr. Speed Demon. Okay. Okay. Damn, that's a nice Tundra. It's clean. $347, not bad. Oh man. Okay, cool. So we're climbing back up. We're 162, 163. I don't know why people are so scared to just like pull up. I'm also trying some new video settings. I am shooting in D-Log. Which means I have to do my own color grading, so... well, let me know how that looks, guys. My first video, I did some color grading. It came out a bit orange. I think I didn't reduce enough of the red, in my opinion, so... yeah. Oh, baby, we are cooking! Feels so good not to have a slipping clutch now. Holy shit. If you all were wondering why I didn't get on it prior, it's because my clutch was slipping pretty much under any heavy load. chat. I don't know why they gave me such a big fucking box for literally a headlight. Just a headlight. I'm not sure why. I did all this. Package is still bigger than I thought it was going to be, but whatever. I'll take it. Ah, shit. Hopefully that didn't scratch my fucking... Alright, well, shit. I guess we will be, piloting back with that. Da, 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 da. So apparently this goes underneath, and then this goes here, and then that protects the strap. Did not know that until I watched Adobe Moto's little ad for Camiomoto, which is quite literally why I got these, because they're cheap and made out of good material. And frankly, you guys will get to see in real time kind of my own review of these. All right, everything's in. The fucking, like, I still got 20 minutes left. And of course, only my left one is working. Not sure why that is, but whatever. Oh, come on. Still doing... Did I even buckle my... I didn't even buckle my fucking helmet. God, that's annoying. Alright, can I catch that light, chat? Fuck! Fuck! So I changed some audio settings. It was in stereo mode. Now I have it in mono. Turned the gain down because if you heard if it was peaking a little bit, that was because my gain wasn't all the way down, and I didn't. And if you found out that like it was kind of quiet in some of my other videos, that's because I turned it down too much in post editing, and I noticed that a little bit once it went live and I was able to watch my stuff. So I'm just taking lessons, you know. There's stuff you have to go through. got ourselves a little modded Accord. So fun fact, these Accords, I think it's a 10th generation Accord. The 2.0 10 speeds are fucking nasty. Ooh, a Solara. I want one of those. Do a TRD supercharger on it? Yes, sir. But yeah, these the Accords, the 2.0s are quick if done right. This one doesn't look like it's, I don't know. Doesn't look like it's done right per se. I can't believe I actually get to achieve full power. And I feel a lot more comfortable now that my left foot peg is not in an awkward position and it actually mirrors my right foot peg. So far, so good, chat. Alright, let's look at the crosswalk. Where are we chilling on the crosswalk? It's like counting down. I think we'll make it. Alright, this is shit that I hate. I hate having to turn right without any turn lane. You know what? We're gonna say fuck it. We're gonna go past work. No oil on my boot. It's good. Yeah, guys, so that was, I know, a really short ride. But I just forgot about my package. But I just wanted to make sure everything that I did, like, I'm confident, but I'm not confident. I'm unconfidently confident. If that makes sense. That doesn't make any sense, but is it supposed to make sense? So let's just do a quick once over. How is the original leaking from here? There was leaking right there, and it's not. I don't see any leaking around this too much, around the stator cover. That's good. It started, obviously. Clutch feels great. Now that I've got this. Nothing leaking from the drain bolt. All of the bearings are on. Pretty stable. Other than this, I fucked up putting this one on. Pissed, but I gotta go get some screws and shit that I'm gonna do. It's because I need to put screw into that, but obviously that was jankly done. No surprise there. This is moved down. That's not leaking. That's good. Very happy about that. These obviously need to get tightened. Everything's good there. Everything's good there. What else? Clutch cover is not leaking. Let me check. Damn, I can't view it with my sight glass. I'm always so scared to put it down. Yeah, guys. I think it was successful. I mean, yeah, let's check the overflow. It's down. So I need to get topped off a little bit. Right? All right. That's it. Ride is done. I think we're good. Next time I'll probably ride it will be this Saturday at the Jackson's meet, just to make sure a little bit longer and everything else is good. And I want to test out the new headlight that I'm getting, and we'll go from there. So on that bombshell, we are out of it. Oh, I forgot to put this in. Whoops. Okay. Later.